What's going on, guys? It's Don over at Button REI, and we're just going to go over how to use our RVM and ringless voicemails section of our free tools course. So you're probably right here going through this video. It's going to walk you through basically what the process is to get your RVM set up, and then the next steps throughout the course. So as you're kind of perusing through here and clicking on the different sections, work from top to bottom. You'll have obviously the video that you're watching now, a little message from myself, and then we'll start walking through the process of signing up for an account. You'll walk through getting an account set up through our portal. Once you have an account, you'll be able to log into the portal. You'll start off with 50 credits for free. That'll allow you to test out the drops and create some list and campaigns on a small basis to test it out. The 30,000 foot view here will be a little video as well as a mind map for those of you that are visual learners. That mind map will have branches explaining the steps to walk through and set up your RVM platform with us. Otherwise, you can kind of walk through these different steps of either uploading your own list, sending your list for skip tracing, or requesting a list through our platform that we have, and then getting the credits themselves so that you can do the drops. Obviously, once you need more than 50, you'll put in that request to get additional RVM credits, and that'll walk you through what that looks like. The next step is going to be uploading audio files. So this section will allow you to use scripts that we've got in there. It'll break out what those scripts are, what to say, and once you have the MP3 or WAV files created, it'll allow you to upload them into the RVM platform, and those will be used for your drops. Step 4, creating the tracking number. So you'll go ahead and set up a tracking number that will show up on the caller ID when you're doing the RVM drops. And when they call back, they'll get to press 1 to live answer, press 9 to go to a DNC, and the platform will build out your do not call list automatically when they press 9. And number 5 is going to be uploading your list, whether that's a list you bought from us or your own list. You'll upload the list, and then step 6 is creating the campaign, scheduling for when it's going to start, and we'll walk through how to do that with you. And then last step is step 7, reviewing, making sure that it's all set up the way it needs to be. We do have our specialist Fred, who will help you through setting up your campaigns after you've attempted to set it up. He'll review the campaign, the list, all the stuff that you've set up, make sure that it's all set up correctly. We do provide his contact information, and we always suggest that your first campaign you reach out to Fred, have him look over everything, verify that it's all working, and he can assist you if you need anything as you're working through that process. As always, if you need support, reach out to us at support@easybuttonrei.com. Reach out to us on Facebook, but any support requirements that you have to go to that support email address. That'll create a support ticket, and we'll get back to you usually within 24 or 48 hours of business hours. And for our members, you'll be able to reach out to us on our private Facebook group and or through Voxer as well. Once you've made it through all the 7 steps and you have your RVM platform set up, we're down to the bottom of the next steps, and really what that is moving on to cold calling and going through that section of our free tools course. Got any questions, please reach out to us. You can always reach me on Facebook, Donald Ross. Otherwise, Amy can reach her as well. Go on to easybuttonrei.com, and you can see on there through the social media link at the top. It's got our portal and our platform, as well as our Facebook and Instagram and some other contact information on there. Again, thanks guys, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. Take care.